Hi everybody, it's James here from Travel-Lingual.com, the site that facilitates travel and language learning. Today we're going to go through the present tense in Spanish. That may sound daunting, but it's actually very simple and it's no different to remembering a simple pattern. So, let's get started. Now I'd like you to remember one thing. There are 3 verb groups in Spanish. Every verb ends in either AR, ER or IR. We call these AR verbs, ER verbs and IR verbs. Today we're going to be looking at one of each and learning how to use them in the present tense. Now we're going to start with a common AR verb, hablar. How many times have you wanted to explain to someone that you do or don't speak Spanish or that you only speak a little bit? Hablo español. No hablo español. Hablo un poquito. These are expressions we hear very often when travelling in Spanish-speaking countries. But did you know that when you say hablo español or no hablo español, you're actually conjugating from the verb hablar, to speak. So, let's look at the present tense of the verb hablar, an AR verb. Hablo, hablas, habla, hablamos, habláis, hablan. Let's go through once more. Hablo, hablas, habla, hablamos, habláis, hablan. All we're doing is taking the AR from the verb and replacing it with the relevant ending. Hablo, I speak. Hablas, you speak. Habla, he, she, or it speaks. Hablamos, we speak. Habláis, you plural speak. And hablan, they speak. That's it. It's that simple. Let's do it with an ER verb now. Let's take the verb comer, to eat. Como, comes, come. Comemos, coméis, comen. Simple, right? All we're doing is taking the ER and replacing it with the relevant endings. Como, I eat. Comes, you eat. Come, he, she, or it eats. Comemos, we eat. Coméis, you plural eat, and comen, they eat. Let's look at one more example using an IR verb, a verb ending in IR. Vivir, to live. Maybe you've said ¿Dónde vives? Before, or yo vivo, I live, or where do you live? Let's go through it. Taking away the IR, we are going to put the following endings. Vivo, vives, vive. Vivimos, vivís, viven. Let's go through once more. Vivo, I live. Vives, you live. Vive, he, she, or it lives. Vivimos, we live. Vivís, you plural live. And viven, they live. Simple. Have a go at home. Perhaps watch this video again and try with some other AR, ER and IR verbs. Now of course guys, YouTube videos, podcasts and apps are a great way to get a feel for a language, but there's nothing better than face-to-face interaction. With Travel-Lingual.com you can learn any language at any level whenever it suits you. Just click on the link below to book a class and continue your language learning journey.